Welcome to Slabazar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, let's learn how to create a certificate in PowerPoint. But before that, check out Slabazar's free PowerPoint add-in to get presentation templates, themes, and other design tools, along with an AI-powered presentation creator. Check out the add-in for free using the link in the description. Anyway, let's move on to the video. This is what the certificate that we're going to create in PowerPoint will look like. Let's start by right-clicking the slide and going to Format Background. Select an appropriate background color for your certificate. Once that is done, let's build some basic design elements on the slide to make it look like a certificate. Go to Insert, Shapes, and select Diagonal Stripe. Draw the shape on the corner of the slide. Then click on the shape and go to Format Shape, and under Fill, add a gradient fill. Adjust the color of the shape to your liking, and then finally under Line, choose No Line. Once done, hold Ctrl and drag the shape to duplicate it, resize it, and place it as shown. In Format Shape, apply a shadow effect to the shape and tweak it. Once done, select both shapes and group them together by pressing Ctrl+G. Now once again, hold Ctrl and click and drag the shape to duplicate it. Use the handle on top of the shape to rotate it 180 degrees and then place it on the opposite side of the slide. Next, insert a line. Remember to hold Shift while drawing the line to get a straight line. Change its color in Format Shape and also adjust the width. Draw another line perpendicular to it in the same way and adjust the color and width. Now select both lines and group them by pressing Ctrl+G. Then hold Ctrl and click and drag to create a duplicate and place the duplicate next to the original as shown. Make fine adjustments and change the line color as well. Finally, select all the lines and group them by pressing Ctrl+G. Duplicate them once more, rotate, and place them on the opposite side of the slide. Your slide is now slowly beginning to start looking like a certificate. It is time to finally start adding text to the slide. Go to Insert, click on Text box, and click on the slide to start adding your text. Be sure to choose an appropriate text color and font, make it bold, and center align it as well. Resize the text and place it right in the middle of the slide. Now go to Format Shape and under Text Options, in the Text Fill section, choose a gradient fill and tweak it to your liking. Add some more text and make sure you align it well. Let's add some more details. Insert a hollow circle shape and set the line color as gradient and choose the same gradient style as the rest of the certificate. Hold Ctrl and drag to duplicate it and group them by selecting all of them and pressing Ctrl+G. Then resize the shape and adjust the width and place it right next to the text. Press Ctrl and drag it while holding the Shift button to create a duplicate and place it in a straight line on the other side of the text. Now let's add the name. Insert a text box as shown before and go to Font Settings and choose Edwardian Script ITC or a similar font. Increase the font size and make it bold. Drag the text box until it is aligned properly on the slide. Set a gradient color for the text as well. You can add shapes above and below the text as shown. Add some more text right below the name section. Now to add your finishing touches, let's add the blank lines for the signatures. Draw a line on the bottom part of the slide and adjust its color and width. Duplicate and place it on the other side of the slide. Select both lines and group them by pressing Ctrl+G. And then go to Shape Format, Align, and click on Align Center. Finally, add some more text as shown, and your certificate is ready. So there you have it, a quick tutorial on creating a certificate in PowerPoint. Feel free to use this video as a help guide to make your own designs. Once you're done with your design, You can simply print it by pressing Ctrl+P or save it as a PDF by selecting Microsoft Print to PDF under the Printer section and clicking on Print. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and check out our entire PowerPoint for Pros playlist. Don't forget to check out the SlideBazaar PowerPoint add-in linked in the description.